Hi, I'm Merlin. This is my project for the service learning. It is Earth Information Resources, Eir.Ai. This project is a digital platform to democratize environmental sustainability through interactive learning modules, real-time data visualization, and a directory of different companies around the globe that are working in the area of environmental sustainability stewardship. And it's a tool for students to use. So why EIR? Why this platform? Well, I realized throughout this course that environmental science data can seem daunting, from imagery from different sources like NASA's satellite imagery or, climate reports from the IPCC or, the global reports from the Global Forest Watch. And when you get this data, it can often be disconnected from what you're learning. So I wanted to build a platform that makes that learning process more interactive for folks at different education levels. So we have, different environmental topics and expeditions. Our environmental topics can be found in our learning modules where you're able to explore different topics at different education levels. So we have middle school, we have a high school level, and I've only completed a few college level. But these learning modules also give you a little information about the topic that you can read over and take a small quiz on that topic. So that's a little bit about the learning modules. Our research map is a tool that I spent quite a bit of time on, which is an extension of that to explore different topics around under the CES umbrella. And you can view different locations on the earth as far as overfishing regions, and you can see where on earth these are taking place. You can look at biodiversity loss on the globe as well, and you can also visit locations on the globe where this is taking place. My favorite feature, one that took the most amount of time so you're able to see more data in this way, visualizing the data spatially. So, this is a little bit about the research map. Let's move over to the research tab. So the research page is a collection of data from Google Scholar around climate change, ecosystems, education. You can filter this data with different options to see what's the latest in that topic region. And also, you can find out new resources for data in a state or county that's nearby you. So if we were looking at Milwaukee here, we can actually visit Milwaukee's open data or Wisconsin's open data portal. Now back on at the top of the navigation, you'll see we have some games, just little matching games that I'm trying to build out that are, a concept on helping folks learn again about different topics that we've covered throughout this semester. So a little section on that. Another useful tool that I really enjoy is the directory. So for students, I wanted to build a tool that can help them find jobs and apply their value and their passion to companies who need talent. So a feature I really like about this directory is one, not only can you see the area that these companies are working in and innovating in, but you can filter by who has a blog. You can also filter by who has a career page. So it's helpful to say, like, let's say I wanted to go to Wisconsin companies and I only want to filter by those who have a blog. I can go to the Badger Meters blog page, read it, see what they're up to. I can go to Gilroy Inc. I can visit their blog page, see what they're up to, and also, we can visit career pages. Okay, and for the sustainability impact, we are making environmental data and knowledge more accessible, helping users understand Earth's climate and ecological state through visual data, fostering better environmental stewardship. For the social impact, we are promoting equity through sustainability education, making learning more accessible to a diverse group of learners from high school to middle school to college level to research from those on the highest level of education. And for the economic impact, we are connecting students and job seekers to high impact roles where they can, find growth in the green economy and help build a more sustainable workforce. So for my personal reflection, this project has helped me rediscover, how I can have a positive impact in the world. It's strengthened my technical and communication skills. It's also been challenging to, implement some of these complex topics and teach what I've learned throughout this course in a simple way. But I plan to expand this application out and continue to visualize more data sources through open data and work with GIS tools to retell stories. So overall, this has been a very exciting and fun project to work on. I'm looking forward to opening it up and, just want to say, yeah, I really enjoyed it and hope you enjoyed this presentation.